Hello, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you may be. It is morning here in sunny South Florida. It's January, and it's like 75 degrees outside. Yay! Everybody up north, boo! Listen, my name is Gabe Carrera. I advertise as the attorney that rides, and many times I do these videos. They're spontaneous. I don't rehearse it. I don't prepare for it. It's off the top of my head. And today I want to talk to you about motorcycle accidents, what to do once you're hit immediately. If you're riding with somebody, of course, and they're seriously harmed, do not take their helmet off. It's very important. You could snap their neck. Let the EMTs come and handle that. But if you are in an accident and you're able to speak to the police officer, you should speak to the police officer and ask for him to come and ask him to please take the names of all the witnesses and their telephone numbers, because this will help your case later on. And normally what happens on the scene, the police officer will not issue a detailed police report, but the police officer will give you like a change of information, a case number, and usually within about 5 to 7 days, he writes it out and go pick it up. The next thing you need to do is you need to be medically treated, okay? I know of an individual that his bike, he dropped it on I-95. There was a problem with the road. He called a tow truck. He went home in the tow truck. And then I think it was that evening or the next day, he went to the hospital. And it's very important that the ambulance takes you. Yes, it's a pain in the butt to get it out of towing, and you got to pay. But the insurance, the person that hit you, their insurance will eventually pay for that. Don't be afraid. Go to the hospital, get checked out, okay? There is no PIP. Your PIP does not affect the motorcycle accident. You don't have to use it up like a car accident because it's a recreational vehicle. Once you have been taken care of in the hospital, you need to follow up. That's just to make sure you're not going to die, you're not going to get any permanent injury. They sort of like patch up, and then the main medical attention that you're going to receive comes from a regular doctor, and depending whether you need a neurologist because you've got a head injury, or a foot doctor, or an ankle, or an arm, or depending on the injury of your body. My office is familiar with various doctors in the area that deals with personal injuries, that can write very comprehensive medical reports, progress reports after that we submit to the insurance companies, or if need be, they come into court and testify. And you need to be taken care of, and contact us, and we start the whole investigative process. We hook you up with a doctor if you do not have your own doctor, and we move the case forward. We've been very successful with the settlements. We thank God for that. And if you need to talk to me, if you've had an accident, whether it's auto, whether it's a motorcycle, whether you've been driving around in one of the little scoots, what do they call them, little putt-putt mopeds or Vespas, give me a call. As a former motorcycle mechanic that graduated American Motorcycle Institute, I know motor vehicles inside and out. I know the biker lifestyle. I live here in South Florida. We don't only cater to bikers. We also cater, to people that don't own motorcycles. We do their cars, or so call 954-618-0122 if you want to meet with me personally. Just call in, tell them you've had an accident. If you can't make it down to the office, I'll see if I can make it to you. Get in my car and drive over to your house, and I'll sign you up. We'll start working on your case and get you healed up, get your medical bills paid, and see what we can do about settling your case. Put a little money in your pocket. Okay, take care. Thank you for watching these videos. Again, they are on the spot, and I like doing these videos, talking to a faceless camera here. GoPro. Take care. Ciao.